If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.
Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this shadow trading example from last night's session here. Just in the first hour of our shadow trading session, we were able to secure this fantastic sell position on the USD JPY pair here. So we entered our contract at around $40 profit potential upon entry. You can see the entry candle that we entered on here. We had a number of things lining up in our favor here. So on the 5-minute candles is what I typically use for the 1 to 2 hour trades that I take with the group. If you're ever interested in mirroring my trade setup, the 5-minute candles typically is what I use on average most of the time. For this entry, you can see we had an upward trend with a weakening volume. This is known as volume divergence. One of the go-to things for trading any market is looking for weakening trends, and you can do this by finding volume divergence present, especially when you're overextended to the upside as we are here. You can see a bunch of long wick activity heading into those green candles right before our entry. Not only did our entry have us nearing the upper Bollinger Band plus the volume divergence, we also had RSI divergence present in the pair, making for an all-around fantastic area of confluence upon entry. Once I saw those candles start to stagnate there in that area, I knew it was time to pull the trigger on the position. We entered at around $40 of profit potential on a sell, and we got in there, and just for holding this trade for about 35 more minutes, we were able to secure a fantastic full profit into expiration just for less than an hour's worth of work. That's assuming you're just trading one contract. An all-around fantastic short-term position here on the USD JPY pair with the shadow trading group. As stated, this was a trade straight out of the shadow trading sessions from our normal sessions. Occasionally, we will do bonus sessions as well. This is between our 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time sessions, which you can learn more about in the description below if you would be interested in doing that. But also be sure to check out the rest of the channel for other free videos and other free information that I provide as far as other shadow trading examples, other trading setups that you can look for. I cover these things all in more depth in the Informed Traders educational package if you wish to use these trading strategies on your own time that would best accommodate your own personal schedule. So I just want to bring you in here though and show you guys exactly what I look for typically with most of our shadow trades. As stated, one of our shadow trades straight out of the group from last night's session, a fantastic trade with full profits into expiration. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace.
If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.